This mannequin began as an idea after I had attended a workshop with the Arts and Medicine program at the cancer hospital, where they had patients and other people create paper from clothing. And I thought how neat that would be to bring that idea to our unit here. Eating disorders are a huge issue, and it's the kind of problem that is everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Patients come in at a very low weight usually, so they come in wearing clothes that by the time they're done with their treatment here often don't fit. So our patients took clothing that they wanted to use for this project. We cut it up, and then it was put into a machine to break it down into a pulp, which then the patients created paper from the pulp. And then from using the paper, they did drawings, they created art on the paper, which was then eventually sewn together to be a dress for our mannequin. And the mannequin is a submission to the International Association for Eating Disorder Professionals' annual mannequin art competition, which is to promote positive body image and eating disorder awareness. If you look closely here, you can see the words that were embedded in the paper using a pulp stencil process. We've got health, strength, peace, energy, and love. So this drawing here was done by a patient who was thinking about when she and her husband had first gotten married. And these were some more drawings that patients did in thinking about how it felt when they are really feeling healthy and feeling their best selves, and just symbols, rainbows, abstract patterns to kind of represent that feeling of energy and health and vibrance. In addition to the dress, we also created a necklace out of paper beads. So the patients wrote letters to their bodies, apologizing for ways that they had treated their body poorly, and also thanking their bodies for all the wonderful things that their bodies have done for them. We cut the letters into pieces that they then rolled into beads, and we created a necklace out of those letters. And it can be part of the therapeutic process to talk about, what are we going to do with these genes that kind of you associate with your disorder, and how can you let go of those. Each stage had its own therapeutic benefits. The day that we cut the clothing up into pieces, the patients were able to process what it was like to let go of those items of clothing. The day that they created art on the paper, I asked them to think about times when they remembered feeling happy and healthy and good about their bodies, and so we were able to kind of reminisce about those times and reconnect with what that felt like as a way to provide more motivation for them to continue in recovery. This project was a collaboration between the Eating Disorder Recovery Center, the Arts and Medicine program, and local artists who helped with the paper making process. So it was a neat way of getting our program connected with other people in the community.